Welcome guys, today video about the Realme GT new smartphone, and it's a 888 Snapdragon smartphone, and also give you the high resolution results, and we also do the unbox it, and available in the different pretty colors like the blue and the silver, and it's quite pretty smartphone. And also subscribe the channel for more amazing videos, and also press the bell icon so that you get the notification of every video. And its memory capacity is the 64 GB, and screen size is the 6.43 inch. And now let unbox it. What is in the package? Here you can see the smartphone, some information, and here is the nice looking Realme GT smartphone, and it's in the silver color, and it's quite pretty, and price is the $645 only. And also give you the super fast charging, AMOLED full screen, super slim, lightweight, master design. And here you can see the back side of the smartphone, and the wide angle camera is 16 MP, and also 64 MP street photography camera. And it's here is the information of all the triple camera lens, and give you the super fast charging, and it's a massive 4500 mAh battery timing, and no need to worry about the charging. And 65-watt battery capacity, and 128 is the screen play, give you high resolution, and it's a 5G processor, and 25% is a CPU upgrade, 35% GPU upgrade, and 70% are performance upgrade. It gives you high performance. And here is some also information about the smartphone, and it will give you the nighttime shoot. You can on the off the night mode. Thanks for watching, and also must subscribe the channel for more amazing videos.